Hello friends, welcome to Subveggie. Today we are going to learn eggless vanilla cake recipe. Vegetarians often lose out on the pleasure of pastries and other western desserts because of the presence of egg in those recipes. But why not? Most desserts can be made without eggs too. To begin with, you can try this eggless vanilla sponge cake, and this sponge cake is used in recipes like a sponge cake with vanilla ice cream, strawberry mousy cake, and also mini cherry cream cakes, and also you can prepare pineapple cake and chocolate frosting, and you can enjoy strawberry cream cake and pineapple cream cake and a black forest. So now I'll see how to prepare this basic vanilla cake recipe. Now I'm preparing with curds. Ingredients required are 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, that is maida, 1 tablespoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, and half cup water, half cup melted butter or oil, and 1/4 cup organic unrefined cane sugar or regular sugar you can add, and 4 tablespoon yogurt, and 1 tablespoon vinegar, and 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 tablespoon vanilla extract or vanilla powder. And now see directions to prepare. First sieve the all-purpose flour, maida, that is we have taken 1 glass, 1 measurement, with the baking powder and a pinch of salt in a mixing bowl or a pan. And now preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade and grease a 6 to 7 inches pan with butter or oil. Now take some butter and melt it in a small pan or a microwave. Just melt the butter, no need to heat it. When the butter is still warm or a bit hot, add the sugar to the melted butter and stir and mix well, and then keep aside. Now in a measuring cup or in a small bowl, whisk the 3 tablespoon yogurt, and 1 tablespoon water till smooth. Then add 1 tablespoon vinegar, now add baking soda and stir well. You have to stir till bubbles come out, and then now pour the butter plus sugar mixture, half cup water, and frothing yogurt plus vinegar plus baking soda into the sieved flour. Add vanilla extract. Be quick enough to fold and make a lump-free batter, and don't overdo the folding. Pour the batter in the greased baking pan and shake and tap the sides of the pan so that air bubbles are released. And then place it in oven. Now coming to method for strawberry jam glaze, just heat about 2 to 3 tablespoon jam with half tablespoon water and 1 or 2 tablespoons starch powder till the moisture thickens. Now bake this cake at 180 degrees or till the toothpick comes out cleanly, and then spread icing prepared on the cake and a layer with a flat spatula. You can add a fruits on top if you like. Kids just love it, and so prepare it on any special days and make them surprised with these little cakes. Very easy to prepare at home, so try it and prepare and give a surprise to your kids. Spongy, right? So soft and tasty vanilla cake for today, and decorate as you wish and enjoy, and it is perfect for birthday parties. You can prepare this sponge cake and you can decorate with um, any chocolate glaze or any fruit glaze, and can have a wonderful cake on your birthday. So this is for today. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.